Good morning students. In this class, I will be doing class 9 Samachir Kalvi syllabus or matriculation syllabus 5th chapter coordinate geometry. Exercise 5.1. First exercise, first sum. Plot the following points in the coordinate system and identify the quadrants. So first we are asked to 5 points are given, P, Q, R, S and T points are given. So we are asked to plot all these points in the coordinate plane and we are asked to identify the quadrants of that. Okay. So here x-axis 1 centimeter I have marked as 1 units and this one is y-axis 1 centimeter as 1 units. So already I have learnt in the lower classes about the quadrants. So here this one is both the points, both the abscissa and the ordinate will be positive. So this is the first quadrant and this is the second quadrant. X-axis will be negative and y-axis will be positive. So this is second quadrant and third quadrant both abscissa and the ordinate will be negative and fourth quadrant will be x-axis will be positive and y-axis will be negative. So these are all the 4 quadrants. So 1, 2, 3 and then 4 quadrants. So first we will plot the point. So first P is minus 7, 6. So minus 7 is the x-axis, x point and 6 is the y point. So minus 7, 6 will be here. So this point will be minus 7, 6. Okay. So this is P minus 7, 6. Okay. So this is the point in the second quadrant. So that also we will write simultaneously. So P minus 7, 6 that is in the second quadrant. That is in the second quadrant. Then Q 7, minus 2. So 7 in the x-axis and minus 2 in the y-axis. So that is Q 7, minus 2. So Q 7, minus 2 will be in the fourth quadrant. So this is 1, 2, 3 and then 4. Fourth quadrant we will get this point. Then the next one is minus 6, minus 7. So this is minus 7 will be in the y-axis, that is here at this point. So R point minus 6, minus 7 will be in the fourth quadrant. So R minus 6, minus 7 will be in the third quadrant. Then the fourth one is S 3, 5. 3 x-axis, 5 y-axis. So S 3, 5 will be in the first quadrant. Both are positive. So S 3, 5 will be in the first quadrant. Then the last point is T 3, 9. So this one also both positive. So that will also be in the first quadrant. So 3, 9 will be this point. So T 3, 9. So T 3, 9 will also be in the first quadrant. Okay. So this is the question asked. So we are asked to plot the given points in the coordinate system. So we have plotted all the points in the plane and then we are asked to write the quadrant where it belongs. So we have identified the quadrant also. Okay. Thank you.